Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Nepean, local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we know exactly what our clients need from a moving company, and we are ready to make your relocation seamless. Our years of experience have taught us that reliability, speed of service, and affordable prices are some of the key qualities required to succeed as a moving company. Therefore, if you're a family, student, or business, we're here to help you move your equipment or household belongings locally or across state lines. No doubt, moving long distance often involves complex operations. As a result, it's quite often stressful since it's a big logistics project. It's even more worrisome when you're thinking of how expensive it could be. However, worry no more because our prices are affordable and we have the means to deal with any kind of move. At 3 Movers, we have built a name for ourselves for speedy, efficient services. Thus, we can also handle local moves with the same ease and professionalism as we do with big-scale moves. Our team is reliable and efficient, and we can help you pack and settle quickly in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Nepean moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.